So we have a video here today. Customer doesn't have water. This would be her well pressure switch, well pressure tank. She's having problems with the water going off. So what we're going to do is we're going to unplug the power for now. We're going to come over here and look at the switch. Take this off. And you can see the points in here. This switch looks in okay condition, but it's getting some wear on it. And what we're going to do is, we got it unplugged. We're going to flip these points a little bit, like this. And then also, you could take a fingernail file and also clean those points. And then we're going to plug it back in over here and see if that helps. Now let's see if we get water out of there now. Yes, the water is on. So that's one tip right there, to basically flip the points, see if that helps. Or also, you can make sure it's unplugged, file the switch, and plug it back in. And now we have the water back on here.